The black-capped lory glides through the rainforest with bright colors and playful calls. It feeds on nectar and fruits, filling the forest with energy and life. The clouded leopard moves silently through the jungle, its patterned coat blending perfectly with the shadows. Agile and mysterious, it watches the forest from above. The spectacled langur sits calmly among green leaves, its white eye circles giving it a gentle look. It enjoys fresh leaves while staying close to its group. The greater kudu stands tall on the savanna, its spiraled horns catching the sunlight. Graceful and alert, it moves quietly through the tall grass. The Tasmanian emu wanders the open land with steady steps. Its feathers sway in the wind as it searches for plants and fruits in peaceful surroundings. The African wild dog moves with its pack across the plains. With strong teamwork and quick steps, it explores the wild in perfect coordination. The leaf monkey jumps lightly between branches, its long tail helping it balance. Calm and gentle, it feeds on young leaves high in the canopy. The secretary bird walks proudly on long legs across the grasslands. Focused and graceful, it searches for prey under the warm sunlight. The zebra grazes peacefully with its herd, its stripes glowing under the sun. Calm and alert, it listens to the soft sounds of the savanna. The impala moves gracefully through the open plains. Right on its feet, it stays alert, ready to leap swiftly at any sign of danger. The sloth hangs quietly from a branch, moving in slow, peaceful motions. Surrounded by calm forest air, it enjoys its gentle rhythm of life. The capybara rests near the water, relaxed and calm. It enjoys the cool breeze and stays close to its group, soaking in the quiet moment. The bear strolls through the forest with slow, powerful steps. Curious and calm, it explores the wilderness in peaceful silence. The badger emerges at dusk, its striped face glowing softly. It searches the forest floor, moving steadily through leaves and roots. The serval walks through tall grass with silent steps. With sharp hearing and quick reflexes, it waits for the perfect moment to strike. The mongoose moves quickly across the ground, alert and curious. It explores every corner of its habitat with fearless energy. The dingo travels quietly across the open land, its golden coat bright in the sun. Calm and aware, it listens to the sounds of the wild around it.